In the world of automotive enthusiasts, few events generate as much excitement as the sighting of a prototype vehicle undergoing testing. Such was the case when sharp-eyed photographers recently captured images of what appears to be the forthcoming 2024 Ford Mustang GT500 in development. The prototype in question, heavily camouflaged to conceal its design nuances, offers tantalizing hints about the next iteration of Ford's iconic muscle car. Notably, the front fascia bears a resemblance to the current Dark Horse model, suggesting that Ford may be drawing inspiration from its existing performance lineup. One of the most intriguing aspects of this sighting is the potential powertrain lurking beneath the hood. While official specifications remain under wraps, the GT500 badge has historically been associated with formidable performance. Enthusiasts are speculating about the possibility of a supercharged V8 engine, which would align with the GT500's legacy of delivering exhilarating power and speed. The rear of the prototype also warrants attention. Observers have noted a revised rear diffuser and a prominent quad exhaust setup, elements that not only enhance the vehicle's aggressive aesthetic but also hint at aerodynamic improvements and a focus on optimizing performance. Inside, although detailed images are scarce, there are expectations that Ford will equip the new GT500 with advanced technology and driver-focused amenities. The integration of digital displays, performance telemetry, and customizable driving modes could elevate the driving experience, blending modern convenience with the raw thrill that the Mustang is known for. The anticipation surrounding the 2024 Ford Mustang GT500 is palpable. As Ford continues to refine this prototype, enthusiasts eagerly await official announcements that will shed light on the exact specifications, performance capabilities, and design features of this next-generation muscle car. If the prototype's features are any indication, the upcoming GT500 is poised to uphold and perhaps even redefine the storied legacy of the Mustang nameplate.